Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's play Smith-Morra. Okay. Oh, he's going for this trap line. That's a bit cheeky. Alright, what do I do about it though? Even worse. What do I do about it for knight g4, knight d4? Bishop g5. Knight g4, bishop h4, knight d4, bishop g3. Bishop g5. I'm going to spend 6 years like working out what to do about it now. Actually, I think there is an idea of knight b5. I remember now because it controls d4. And so is bishop g5, knight g4 is not on c4. Hang on, there is a difference here, that he's not on the c4 bishop, except I've just dropped e4, haven't I? What? I've just dropped e4. This was dumb, or was it? Most probably. I have to say, I'm going to set a bishop who does that. Interesting territory. Indeed. Okay, we have a new gambit is born here. I've got a lead in sort of pressure anyway. I don't know if this is development. It's all pretty solid. Queen h5, it's probably not doing too much. Although if it forces g6, then there's queen f3. He's not really going to take this, is he? Probably is. I don't know. I just wanted to create some weaknesses, but I don't know now. Maybe he's just going to munch everything in sight. I wanted g6, queen f3, but does he start munching everything in sight? That's the thing. It doesn't seem to be caring about development in this particular game that much at the moment. Can I go for knight e6? Swing around here for knight e6. This looks remarkably like a flat pancake position that he's got. I'm going to play knight e6 if he's not careful. In fact, I think it would be wrong if I didn't. Is he castling, or I'm going to play rook e7 with hopefully a little bit of an attack, giving it a punt against this 2-5-5 line. So yeah, I'm going to give it a punt, I believe. I have to.
Check. Check.
If I take and queen g5, oh, my queen's hanging. Queen h6. Try for rook e6, queen g7, or knight e6, queen g7. I'm a rook down, okay. Not put off, I'm a rook down. But actually, I don't tell me he's got queen f4. There's rook e6, queen g7. might be consolidating here. I think the fun's over. The show's over. Queen and knight alone are not brilliant.
Check.
And
Check.
on a bang.
Check.
G3. Probably back row. He's decentralized my queen. Try and give G5 for the knight. Oh no, I think that's about it now. I think that's the show's over. That the firework has ended. The sparkler's gone off. Oh, did I just nudge the screen? Yeah. E5 might be worth thinking about next time. If he does this, so he goes there. What's the frets? What's the frets? All right, bishop f4. Right. So e5 is worth thinking about. Yeah. This was a good position then, e5. When I say good, I mean
check.
It's a position. Knight c3 might have been better. Oh no. Oh no, don't tell me knight f5 is really good. I was excited for knight e6, but knight f5, yeah, gets nice pins. Oh, this is interesting. And you can't take there, right? Because that looks devastating. What would he do here? That would look precarious. That's interesting for white a little bit. All right, so there's a line that's interesting for white. This is apparently it's not entirely.
Check.
Oh, equal. Hang on. Oh no. Queen h4. Oh, this is a killer move, isn't it? I have to stop queen f4. I've actually gone into technically a horrible pin. Why do I keep doing this? Going into pins. Queen f4. That's definitely to be avoided, right? So apparently this would have been okay. Although it seems hard to... Okay, that's winning the queen there. And if he goes here...
Check.
Oh man,
Check.
Did I miss... Oh... What looks to me now an easy move. Because it's almost like a check move as well as not going into a pin. It's almost like playing a check, almost. Whoa. If this is his best,
check. Check.
That would have been a bit of fun there.
Check. Check.
It's content to just play the checks, actually. The two rooks are as good as the queen. Maybe it's just content to play the checks. So in the game, it's pretty much over, I think. I've got no material. I've run out of bits and his king's safe. Okay. Oh well, gave it a shot, but I think probably could have invested a minute and a half in that critical position. I think alarm bells should have gone off for... Yeah, queen f4, that was nasty. That was ending the game. Queen f4, horrible pin basically. Oh well, comments, questions, likes appreciated. Thanks very much.